We already improved this project quite a lot. Now there's one other thing I want to bring to your attention. If this project gets deployed, everyone will be able to look into your store with the Redux DevTools. That's not strictly or necessarily a problem. In the end, people can always look into your JavaScript code if they really want to. You can't encrypt it. But you maybe want to make it a bit harder and not as obvious to access your state. To do that, you can go into your index.js file, which is where we unlock the Redux DevTools, and we can adjust this code a tiny bit to only unlock it if we are in development mode, and not do it if we are in production mode. To do that, we can take advantage of a feature called environment variables. In our Create React App project, and this is a feature which is project setup specific, we can use environment variables. We can define them in the config folder. There in the env.js file, you can basically add your own environment variables. You can add them down here where you see node env and public URL. Now the node env thing here is interesting. It's automatically set for you, and it is development if you're in development mode. So with that, we can go to our index.js file and just need to access this variable to only set this extension if we are in development mode. We access our environment variables, and again, this works due to this specific project setup, by calling process, which is a global variable which is available here. We don't have to import it. Env for environment, and there we can access node env. That's this environment variable you just saw, which is development, for example, during development. So then we can check if this is equal to development. And if it is, then this is a ternary expression. We'll use the Redux DevTools as we did before. If it's not, I'll set it to null. And then we have this OR comparison. So if the first part is null, we'll use the default compose function. So now Redux DevTools will only be available in the development environment. If we save this and we go back and reload the page, nothing changes. We still see our Redux inspector, but you'll later see once we deploy the application, this will not work anymore.